Hello everybody! Today we're going to go over short put verticals, what they are and how we set them up. So a short put vertical is something we do if we believe the stock price is going to go up. In this case you can see it's been trending downwards. So if we're going to do a short put vertical, that means we are a contrarian. We believe the stock price from here is going to probably turn around and bounce back up. That would be a contrarian way of looking at this. So how do we set up a short put vertical? I've got one set up here already. The stock price, as you can see, is 363.38. The way we set up a short put vertical is we always start below the stock price. So in this case, I'm going to sell the strike price just below the stock price, 363, and then buy the put further down, $1 away. So in this case, this is $1 wide. We're selling the 363, buying the 362, and when we do that, we are collecting 41 cents as a credit. Okay, what does that all mean? So if we go up here, what this means is this is a $1 wide vertical. Remember again, it's 363 to 362 is our strike price. So this is $1 wide. If we sell this for 41 cents, the most we can ever make on a vertical is what we sell it for. So if we sell it for 41 cents and collect that 41 cents credit, that's the most we can ever make on this trade. But max potential profit, which is 41, plus max potential loss has to equal $1. So in this case, what that means is 59 cents has to be the most we can lose. Because again, max potential profit, what we sell this vertical for, plus max potential loss has to equal the width of the strikes, and it does. So the most we can make on this trade is 41. The most we can lose on this trade is $59. So that is how you set up a short put vertical, and that is what it is. We're betting again that the stock price is going to go up from here. And again, you can make this as wide as possible. As long as we start below the strike price there, as long as we start at 363 or less, we can make this 363 to 353. We can do 360 to 359. We can decide what we want to make this trade for as far as credits and potential risk. But that's how you set them up. We always start below the stock price when we create short put verticals.